Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the October 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. This is a scrapbooking kit filled with scrapbooking supplies. So if you are interested in this kit, please check the description box below to sign up for your kit. Now let me show you everything that's included. This month, the featured collection is Bella Blvd-Documented. First off, we received this sticker chipboard sheet, and there's lots of different icons and title options. I love this Go, 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 Love Life, Good Days, Documented, Amazing. We've got some butterflies, some flowers, some clips, paper clips. This is very usable, and I love the colors. We also received a couple packets of ephemera. This one is the Bella Blvd Ephemera Icons Documented. This package contains 75 die-cut pieces. So let me show you just a few of these of what's included in the kit. I won't flip through all of them. We'd be here all day, but I just wanted to give you a little snippet of what you can find in this collection. I love this little telephone here. That's super cute. We've got a typewriter. Here's some more of those clips, days of the week, like a little calendar, and the last one there says game, so I think that's cool. We've got some pencils, some eyeglasses, some more florals. I love the camera. There's several different cameras in this collection, so that's really pretty. And some florals. There's that little balloon dog animal. That's cute. Some more florals. We've got a flower here. It says love this, and some pencils, a little notebook paper to-do list. There's some more little clips and paper clips. There's like a little embellishment cluster already done for you. Some more cameras. Oh, I love the little Stanley here. That's cute. Lots and lots of cameras. Really cool. And then here's some more. Little flag. Let me see, let me make sure I've shown you all of these. Some more little pieces here. Paper clips. There's another little journaling spot. Here's a cute little phone here as well. Those are so cute. Perfect for teenagers, right? And I love the bright colors in this collection. This is going to be a really fun one to work with. So not only did we receive this set of embellishments, we received these stickers too, black little alphabet stickers. These are great for combining with other titles. Then we received this pack of ephemera too. This one is called Our Story Matters. It's from Echo Park. Here's a little close-up of what's included. And in this pack, there's 34 die-cut cardstock pieces. So this one, it has some more cameras, so there's some little pieces with cameras. There's also several little cut apart, or not cut apart, like punch out frames. I love those little frames. Those are nice for layering. Here's a cute little notebook, some little wordy bits here. I love the frames. Some little journaling spots. Here's another frame. So you just punch the center out. Then you've got two pieces of ephemera. So lots and lots of cute options here as well that can mix and match in the kit. Then we receive Our Story Matters Echo Park Chipboard Accents. I love this one at the bottom that says this is our story. We've got some more cameras, some little banners, some florals. So this works very well with the collection. Now let's look at the paper. So this is our cut apart sheet. You can see some 3x4 cut aparts and also some tags in the center. So that's really nice. And then the back side are all of these little paper clips. We've got some cut apart strips here, nice little border strips. So I can definitely see cutting these apart. So these are really pretty. And then the back side, we've got this red floral design. And then this paper, we've got all those little binder clips. So lots and lots of colors of those. And on the back side is a white with some black polka dots. And then on this sheet, we've got black sheet with white polka dots. Ooh, and look at this rainbow stripe on the back. Definitely going to be using that. And then we've got a floral sheet here. Lots and lots of pretty florals. And on the back, we've got a pink a darker pink with a lighter pink polka dot. Oh, here's my kitty cat Pepper coming to help me. Let's see if he'll sit here while we unbox this. Here is another paper here with some typewriters and cameras, and on the back side we've got green with some flowers. He was done with that one. Wanted to look at the next one. We've got a sheet with some binder clips here. And on the back side, I love this black scalloped frame with like a grid design in the center. And this next sheet has a bunch of little wordy bits, so you could cut these apart. So there's together, best day ever, right here, coffee, magic of today, hello sunshine, just lots of words. And then the back side is pink with some darker pink hearts. Then we've got a sheet of lots and lots of cameras. He wants some attention. And then on the back side, we've got this like blue grid. And then this last sheet, I love these little scallop borders. I can see Fussy cutting that. Or on the back is this nice stripe. I could see even cutting this apart as well. So lots and lots of items in the kit. You also receive this cut file. It says best day ever, and this comes pre-cut in your kit. So you don't have to own a die cut machine. It already comes cut for you. But there is a link on the website where you can have access, if you're a My Creative Scrapbook member, to lots of other cut files as well. So you can always use those. And then also included in your kit every month, you receive a sketch. So that just jump starts your inspiration. So that is a look at everything that's included this month in the main kit. There's also other kits such as the limited edition kit, the creative kit, and the album kit. If you're not already a subscription member, I invite you to check out the link below. And if you join, mention my name, Melissa Minor, and you will receive a free gift. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!